Click on the link below to get price. The PUCKIPUPPY electric bike for adults with a powerful 960W peak motor stands out in the crowded electric bike market, particularly for those seeking adventure on rugged terrain. With its robust 26-fat tires, this electric mountain bike offers excellent stability and shock absorption, making it perfect for tackling bumpy trails, snow, or sand. The tires provide an impressive grip, ensuring that riders maintain control even in challenging conditions. One of the most notable features of this bike is its powerful motor. The 960W peak output allows for swift acceleration and the ability to conquer steep inclines with ease. Riders can seamlessly switch between electric-assisted and manual pedaling modes, providing versatility for different riding styles. The top speed of around 28 miles per hour is exhilarating, and the bike handles well at high speeds thanks to its sturdy construction. The battery life is commendable, with a capacity that allows for up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode of assistance used. This makes it suitable for both casual rides and longer excursions without the constant worry of running out of power. The bike's charging time is also reasonable, allowing you to quickly get back on the road. The design of the PUCKIPUPPY bike is practical yet stylish. Its lightweight aluminum frame is both durable and easy to handle, and the adjustable seat ensures a comfortable riding experience for various heights. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes provides reliable stopping power, enhancing safety. However, potential buyers should consider that assembly may require some technical know-how. While the bike comes with clear instructions, those unfamiliar with bike assembly may take longer than expected to get it ready for the first ride. In summary, the PUCKIPUPPY electric bike is an excellent choice for adults looking for a reliable and powerful e-mountain bike. With its robust motor, impressive battery life, and ability to handle diverse terrains, this bike promises an exciting and enjoyable ride for both novices and experienced cyclists alike.